figure that out if they need me to like move or something. There's this fire hydrant here next to me, but they're looking just as confused as I am. Okay, I need to get out of the way. One more time? I haven't yet, but that's my other truck. Someone's out there stuck.
Okay, so we have a medical call that we have to get to the very end of this. I was trying to see if I could hit you right.
He made it. I mean, I can give it a try. Let me see if he wants me to. Do you want me to take these firemen down to where you are? They need a ride.
If you want to.
Can like Nellie do it?
Yeah, Nellie can do it.
Okay.
If you see where I'm at.
We'd be happy to help you guys. You're welcome to hop in still.
I thought it was going to be way worse for you.
I wasn't sure what I was looking at, but so far we're doing all right.
You want to back or
Either or, come on in.
Huh? In the back or inside?
You guys are totally fine. It's a truck.
Sorry.
All right, where are you guys headed?
Up here to the light.
All right. Yeah, he's that car that's out there.
Yeah, we got to go way to the back of that neighborhood
Oh man.
for a stroke patient, so we're trying to...
You just reached out to from there. You think we're down flyers, but it's
I think, yeah, we have ambulance go around
Yeah, I
anytime.
think so.
Fire 1, Fire 2, Fire 3, Fire 5, those 3 ambulances. Trying to fire engine 336.
Oh, we did get stuck. We saw this thing go by.
Let me see where he turned around so I make sure I don't get myself. Where's the best place to turn around?
Hey, could you have your unit go up and around? They're gonna have to come down
They're
277
trying to
from
go all
the
the way
west.
back in the back of the neighborhood.
And they could stop at the bottom of the hill where it's coned off. You gotta walk in and get the patient.
if you want to go.
We'll
Do you
assess
wanna
and
take
advise
them?
if
Yeah, I
you need
can
to go to the
run real
hospital.
quick.
Well, is this one better or that one?
I think this one's going to be higher up, so
Okay.
you just go around the corner. You'll be fine.
All right.
Stay in the middle.
Stay in the middle.
Right now. 8 o'clock is at the bottom of the seal, but now it's like 2 or 3 feet below the seal, so I don't know how much damage, but obviously we didn't start.
I have no idea, but that's what you just told me to do. Neither did I.
Yeah, I didn't know.